second airport in the Mahamumbai, that is a Navi Mumbai International Airport, is going to be inaugurated on 8th October by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. He will be landing at Navi Mumbai International Airport on 8th October at 2:40 p.m. He will be likely to here for another 2 hours. He will have a round of the airport as well as he will be addressing to a public gathering. This airport is on an area of 1160 hectare, having a 2 runways and the 4 terminals. All the 4 terminals together having a capacity of the 90 million passenger per annum, and a cargo terminal which is having a capacity of the 3.25 million passenger per annum. To begin with, we have completed the terminal 1 having a capacity of the 20 million passenger per annum, and the cargo terminal having a capacity of the 0.8 million metric ton, and the one southern runway that will be inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister. So, and that so far we have already spent an amount of approximately 19,647 crores. If all the 4 terminals are completed, that will have an expenditure of approximately 1 lakh crores. So as regard to USP of this airport, this is the airport where all the 4 terminals are connected with each other. If you have a flight from terminal 4, then you can check it even at the terminal 1. So once you check in at the terminal 1, from terminal 1 to terminal 4, you can go with the help of APM, that is an automated passenger people's mover. That is a kind of a train, driverless train, which will be underground beneath your runway on the air sides. So that is a kind of a facility. As of now, what happens if you have a flight from the T1, then you will have to go to the T1. By mistake, if you go to the T2, then you will have to come back to the T1, which will not be the situation. This will be the first airport in the country, truly multimodal, which will be connected to the expressway, highway, suburban railways, metro, even the water taxi. We are coming up with the water taxi at the Targhar Jetty, which is adjoining this airport, from where we will be providing services to that Gateway of India near that radio jetty. So people will have a facility to check in at the radio jetty also. So this will be the first airport. Even now, as far as the connectivity is concerned, as you know that Mumbai and Navi Mumbai are now closer to each other because of the Atal Setu. One can come in the next 20-25 minutes. But in order to have a further better connectivity, we are coming up from Atal Setu, Ulve Coastal Road, having a length of, it's a fully elevated road having a length of 6 kilometers, so which will be covered from the Atal Setu in next 6 minutes to the airport. We are coming up with metro now, which will be connecting to the 2 airports. So this metro, which is known as the Gold Line, Line 8, will have a connectivity to the existing metro line, Line 2B, Line 7A, Line 3, Line 4, Line 12, and Line 1. And we are coming up with the Thane and Navi Mumbai International Airport elevated road also, for which work will be started very soon. So if we compare this airport as regard to the cities, the world-class cities, then this is comparable to the London Heathrow Airport. Even I can say this is better. As London Heathrow Airport is having a area of the 1227 hectares, having a 2 runways, 5 terminals, and a capacity of the 85 million passenger per annum. We are having an area of 160 hectares, having a 2 runways, 4 terminals, and final capacity will be 90 million passenger per annum. So 2 airports clubbed together, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport and Navi Mumbai International Airport, will have the capacity of the 150 million passenger per annum. So that will be a big thing for Mahamumbai, Maharashtra, as well as a country. So this place will be known as the global aviation hub. So that is a kind of things which is coming up. Once the airport comes, then all other activities like Aerocity, hotels, commercial centers, corporate houses, even we are coming up with the EduCity, corporate park, Medicity. So that will have a lot of development in this area. So our Honorable Prime Minister vision of completing, having a 5 trillion economy in the country, for which Maharashtra has taken the task to complete 1 trillion economy, I think this airport is going to be the big game changer.
So can you also tell about the...
So now that this Honorable Prime Minister inaugurating Terminal 1 having a capacity of the 20 million passenger per annum, next terminal, that is the T2, will have the capacity of the 30 million passenger per annum.
And by when it will be operational?
Expected by 2020. Expected by 2029.
No. I'm asking the first phase of the first flight.
Yeah. So as Honorable Prime Minister is inaugurating on 8th of October, and that after that it will be handed over to the CISF for security sweep, which will take a little time as per the procedure. This domestic and international flight from the Navi Mumbai International Airport will be started this year only in the month of December.
Sir, where Talghat railway station is completed?
Targhar is already completed.
It
is to be started.
What type of preparations are in place when the Prime Minister is coming? What type of preparations?
All going on. We are here on this holidays also. We are looking into the ये जल्दी शुरू करवा देंगे इसको. वी आर डिस्कसिंग विद द रेलवेज दैट विल बी स्टार्टेड वेरी सून. थैंक यू.